In today's world, many people are seeking ways to supplement their income, especially with rising living costs. A common barrier is the belief that you need a large upfront investment to get started. The good news is you don't need money to make money. There are plenty of side hustles that require zero investment but can still provide a decent income. Whether you want to save for something big, pay off debt, or just earn extra cash, a side hustle can help. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 side hustle ideas you can start with zero investment and show you how to make them work for you. Let's dive in. 1. Freelance writing. One of the easiest and most rewarding side hustles you can start with zero investment is freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, you can turn your skills into a money-making machine by offering your services to businesses, bloggers, and even individuals who need content. Freelance writing allows you to work from home and set your own schedule, making it an ideal side hustle for anyone looking to make extra income. The best part? You don't need any investment to get started. All you need is a computer or even a smartphone with internet access. Freelance writers are in demand for various types of content, including blog posts, articles, website copy, product descriptions, social media content, and even ebooks. Many businesses and websites are constantly seeking quality writers who can produce content that resonates with their audiences. To get started as a freelance writer, all you need to do is create a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can also pitch your services directly to companies. As you gain more experience and build a portfolio, your rates will increase, and you can start attracting more high-paying clients. Freelance writing is a fantastic side hustle because you can scale it based on your availability. The more time you dedicate to it, the more money you can earn. The investment required? Simply your time and skills. 2. Virtual assistant services. If you're good at organization and have strong communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant VA can be a profitable side hustle that requires little to no investment. Virtual assistants provide remote administrative support to businesses and individuals. Tasks may include managing email, scheduling appointments, managing social media, providing customer service, data entry, and more. The demand for virtual assistants has increased as more companies embrace remote work and need help managing their daily operations. This side hustle is ideal if you have strong organizational skills and can juggle multiple tasks efficiently. It's also flexible, allowing you to work from home and set your own hours. Getting started as a virtual assistant doesn't require any special tools or investments, just a computer and a stable internet connection. To find clients, you can use platforms like Upwork, TaskRabbit, or even Facebook groups dedicated to remote work opportunities. Many small businesses, startups, and busy professionals are seeking virtual assistants to streamline their workflows. As a VA, you can choose the number of clients you want to work with and scale your business by offering more specialized services, such as email marketing, bookkeeping, or customer support. You can easily turn this into a long-term side hustle with great income potential, especially if you focus on niche markets or high-demand services. You'll also gain valuable experience in managing various types of tasks and clients, which could lead to further opportunities or even higher-paying projects. 3. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring is another fantastic side hustle you can start with zero investment. Whether you're good at math, science, languages, or even music, there's always someone looking for tutoring services. The beauty of online tutoring is that you can reach students from all over the world, making it a highly flexible and scalable side hustle. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and Tutor.com connect teachers and tutors with students who need help in various subjects. All you need to get started is knowledge in the subject you want to teach, a reliable internet connection, and a quiet place to conduct your lessons. In fact, some of these platforms may even provide the materials and training you need to succeed, making it easier for you to hit the ground running. The key to succeeding as an online tutor is to identify your niche. Are you a math whiz? Or do you have an advanced understanding of English literature? Once you figure out your expertise, create a profile on tutoring platforms or advertise your services on social media or local community boards. You can teach English as a second language, ESL, to students in other countries or offer specialized subject tutoring to students of all ages. By narrowing your focus, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field, thereby attracting more students. This side hustle has significant growth potential. You can start with a few students and gradually expand your client base by offering additional subjects or group lessons. The best part is that you can choose your own working hours, which makes it easy to balance with your regular job or other commitments. Plus, as you gain experience, you can increase your rates and take on more students. Online tutoring also allows you to work from the comfort of your home, saving time and money on commuting. Over time, you could even build a reputation and develop your own tutoring brand, turning this into a full-time business. 4. Social media management. If you're a social media enthusiast and understand how to create engaging content, becoming a social media manager could be a great side hustle for you. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs struggle with keeping up with their social media accounts and would gladly outsource this task to a skilled individual. Social media managers handle a range of tasks, including creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, responding to comments and messages, and developing strategies to grow their clients' online presence. This side hustle requires a strong understanding of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, as well as tools such as Canva and scheduling apps, e.g. Buffer, Hootsuite. Getting started doesn't require any upfront investment. You can simply start by offering your services to small businesses, local shops, or even influencers. Building a portfolio of your work, even if it's personal or for friends and family, will help establish credibility and attract paying clients. Social media management allows you to set your own rates based on your skills and experience. As you gain more experience, you can increase your prices and even hire others to work with you, turning this side hustle into a full-fledged business. 5. Selling handmade crafts or products online. If you're crafty and enjoy making unique items, selling handmade crafts or products online can be a fun and profitable side hustle. You can sell anything from handmade jewelry and art to knitted items, home decor, and custom clothing. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and even Instagram are great places to showcase and sell your creations. This side hustle requires no investment to start, as long as you have the materials to make your products. If you're already skilled at making crafts, all you need is a platform to sell them. As you grow your customer base, you can reinvest your earnings into new supplies and marketing to expand your product offerings. Etsy is an especially popular platform for selling handmade goods. It has a large customer base of people seeking unique, handmade, or vintage items. Setting up a shop on Etsy is free, and you can start by listing a few products to see how they perform. Once you have a collection of items, you can promote them on social media to attract more buyers. Selling handmade products is a side hustle that allows you to showcase your creativity and earn money doing something you love. Plus, it's a great way to build a brand and, if you choose, scale up into a full-time business. There you have it, the top 5 side hustle ideas you can start with zero investment. From freelance writing to selling handmade crafts, these hustles require little more than your time, skills, and dedication. Each of these ideas can be started with no upfront costs, making them perfect for anyone looking to earn extra income without taking on any risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on earning money and building financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try, or if you have any other hustle ideas to share. I'll see you in the next video.